Hi everyone, so today I'm going to share a very new recipe with you all, which is eggless burnt Basque cheesecake. Let's get started. Unlike any other cheesecake, there is no base, so we directly start by beating the cream cheese. Once done, gradually pour in your fresh cream, milk maid, icing sugar, corn flour and all-purpose flour. फ्लेवर के लिए इसमें वनीला एक्सट्रैक्ट डालें और अच्छे से बीट कर लें, मेकिंग श्योर दैट देयर आर नो लम्प्स. Prepare your tin by lining it with parchment paper with 2 pieces of it and then pour in the batter. मैंने यहाँ पे एक 5 इंच का टिन लिया है. बैटर को ग्रेजुअली पोर करके टैप करके then you bake it. Look at this gorgeous beauty. The crust is so burnt and the sides and inside is absolutely delicious. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Look at this beautiful golden color and the burnt top. Do give it a try and let us know how you like it. Thank you.